Microsoft's been dealing with RDC since 2004, when we started partnerships in Africa, in places like Namibia, South Africa, to build capacity in those countries to handle refurbished PCs. RDC were key in bringing the technical skills, the quality procedures, the equipment to enable those projects to happen. And those projects led to organisations such as Digital Pipeline, and following on to some of our partnerships with the UN, specifically UNIDO, United Nations Industrial Development Organization. RDC then helped us in Uganda, working with the UN, to build a centre focused more on businesses rather than on education, but again making computers affordable for people in Africa and addressing the recycling at the end of life of those businesses. There are challenges in developing countries when looking at e-waste. A lot of them focus on the lack of local capacity to handle that waste, and a sort of chicken and egg situation where they don't have a large install base to sustain the technical skills that handle e-waste, and at the same time there are no standards that they feel happy about using for the importation of used equipment to enable people who can't afford new computers. That problem applies in other places, the problem of standards, but it's maybe more acute in places like emerging market countries where we've partnered with RDC. And the benefit RDC brought to the programs is that they have quality systems and standards that are ISO auditable and have enabled people to get confidence in the work being done. The Microsoft Approved Refurbisher Programme is a new program from Microsoft that's been running for about a year, and we're very excited that RDC is one of the first people in the program. It's a program that's focused on the major refurbishers of the world. It's for the large refurbishers, the refurbishers who have the technical and managerial capacity to handle PCs in a way that is recognized as being safe both for the companies disposing of the PCs, things like data security, reputation, legal environments that have to be obeyed, as well as the capacity to get the best value from those computers back in the marketplace for the people who are disposing of them. Some of the specific benefits of the program are it provides genuine Microsoft software appropriate for refurbished PCs, so that the people who are receiving the PCs no longer have to either have an illegal PC or a naked PC. They get a solution that solves their problem. So it increases the value of the asset being disposed in the marketplace. Microsoft also provides a series of tools to enable the refurbishers to make sure that the experience is a good one for the end user. And Microsoft provides some standards within the program around data wiping, environmental management, which we expect all partners to follow. Piracy of Microsoft software is still a very significant problem in developed markets, in all markets, in fact, where refurbished PCs get sold. There is both confusion and there is deliberate avoidance of using genuine Microsoft product. And our program, the Microsoft Authorized Refurbisher Programme, gives companies like RDC the ability to make it very clear that they're selling a genuine quality product that has all the benefits of being a proper Windows license, that has updates, that ensures a good experience for the end user, that it's a quality product. Within the Microsoft Authorized Refurbisher Programme, we have an eligibility criteria for the computers, and that is that they need to be 6 months old and to have been previously in use, so they're not new computers. And for the Windows licensing, they need to have a previous Windows COA on the machine. So a previous Windows license was used with the machine. We also offer other software to go on the machine, such as Security Essentials, an antivirus package, Live Suite, and we've recently started offering Server for reused servers. We've focused on North America, selected countries in Western Europe, particularly the UK, Germany, and the Netherlands, and Japan. That's where our focus is, and that program is slowly expanding. The program is the premium program, if you like, the gold program for refurbishers. We have other programs for smaller refurbishers that are less strict, but Microsoft Authorized Refurbisher is for the big, high-quality refurbishers. I've been working with RDC for about 6 years now. What impresses me about them is, first of all, their ability to understand the customer needs, and to, when they say they're going to do something, they do it. They deliver a quality job. And that's been proven time and again to me in projects I've worked on with them. As a company, what impresses me about RDC is the way they have a global view of the marketplace, and the way they focus on getting the best value from the asset being disposed of for the customer. And I think that value they give around peace of mind, quality and value is key to their success.